Okay, Bessie. So my husband is in my closet. This is his first time seeing since I reorganized everything. How do you feel about everything? Can you tell it's a big difference? And which shelf is your favorite?
Yeah, I can tell.
Okay, so you can tell I changed the handbags around, okay? So how does it look?
Oh, it looks good.
Does it look the same? Can you honestly tell it's a difference? Okay.
Because those never fools were over here.
That's okay. What'd you say? The
never fools.
Oh God!
It's the big bags.
The big bags. Okay.
And then you got the YSL. So I'm assuming you put the denim over here.
No. That's the shelf. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those bags. The two never full. So
but you got your YSL bag in there.
I know because I wanted it to just be YSL, but I wanted my YSL to be. I'm not gonna tell you what that section is. I just want you to open it.
All right, which one?
That's what I can explain after. Yes.
Okay.
What shelf is this?
This is okay. See. This is
You got
like
5 seconds.
This is like your top luxury bag, like the I ain't gonna say luxury bag, but like the
what?
the power bags, like
boss bag. Yes, good job. So that's why my YSL is split up.
Okay, so yeah, these are boss bags.
These the boss bags, and over here I didn't have a place to honestly put these two never fulls.
You gonna let me figure it out? You gonna?
Oh, you got a smart mouth. Okay, come on.
And then you got I see all your Dior's, your Christian Dior's right here.
Okay.
I can't see all the way at the top. I don't know what else up here. Oh, okay.
What's that print? Cause you don't want me to say nothing since you know everything.
That's the something the bean.
The bean.
What is it? I'm near the.
Damier.
Damier.
But what?
Damier Azur.
Oh my goodness! Yes, that's right. Good job. Okay, good job.
Okay, and then okay, we got well. Right here is a little different because you got some.
You gotta open it up. I want to see.
You got some reverse monogram in here. And
what bag is it at the top?
That's the Marquita loop-de-loop. What is it?
Reverse monogram loop gym.
Yeah.
What did you call it?
The loop-de-loop. So the reverse monogram.
Yes, and that's bicolor.
GM.
You even knew the size. Yeah. I am so proud of you. Oh my goodness.
Okay. And these, I don't know this print, but I like that print.
Bicolor.
Okay, that's the bicolor print. Okay. Yeah, those are.
You like the bicolor?
I like that leather.
I didn't know that.
I like that black leather.
Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so wait, do you just like black leather or just the bicolor?
I like the LV black leather.
Okay.
Yeah, because it has that texture to it. I like that texture. It looks nice. I like this. We need to put more lights in here.
That's true.
But yeah, I like the black.
So you like this?
I ain't gonna lie, this made me like black more.
What, them being all together?
Like I like the black.
I didn't think you would like it being like this.
It's nice.
Nice. Okay.
So, and then right here we have
open up.
Okay. I guess these are all like your kind of exclusive. I'm sorry.
No, I'm in the way.
These are your exclusive LV bags, like
no, not exclusive.
Not exclusive, but more like unique design.
Nope. Cause the never full is in there. That's not unique.
So
it's monogram and vachetta. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I missed that one.
No, you did good. So, I can see you were saying about like the unique shape because
because like all these bags down here.
Okay. Yeah.
And
not this just.
I don't know the name of that one.
The side trunk.
Side trunk.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, those bags are nice, but that's like I get it. That's the
classic
standard classic print. And here is.
What's the name of these, Chris?
This is checkerboard.
That's not a checkerboard. It has the same first name as that other print, the Azur. You was gonna say it at first. There you go. Good job.
That's your Damier Ebene.
So you gonna keep saying it because you got it right.
I'm trying to get it together.
But you did good. I am proud. You really do pay attention. Okay.
And here we have. Okay. What is this bag called?
I'm not gonna tell you because you should know. I'm not gonna say anything. Y'all, that's my son in the back watching the game. You hear screaming.
Cowboys are playing, and I can't believe I'm here reviewing. This is okay. Give me a hint.
So it is.
Give me another hint.
What they used to say. Okay, I was what on the court?
Baller. That was
No. I used to be when I steal the ball from the back. It's over the S. When I run.
Going fast.
It's over the S. How does that? Come on now. What they used to call Tina?
Pass the hands and Texas.
I said it's over the S. You have one more time, and then this is it.
Why don't you just tell me?
No.
This is the. Starts with an S. This is the. Say one of the names in the beginning.
That doesn't have anything to do with it, because if I do that, you will know.
This is the denim.
No, I don't want you to name one of the handbags. What design is this?
I don't know.
You know the Neverfulls.
I know the Neverfull, but I don't know this one. I can't remember. I heard it.
It rhymes with Petey and has S in the beginning.
Seedy?
Oh my God.
It rhymes with Petey.
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 Add an S in the front of Petey.
How did you even come up with Petey?
I don't know.
Speedy.
There you go. See? Yeah, these are the Speedy.
It rhymes with Petey.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
I'm sorry. No, you got to open it up because we got to go into detail. You have to tell me which one you like. Which one is your favorite?
We've been through that.
No,
already.
we have not, sir.
Yeah, keep the Cowboy game on.
I know, but I need you to pay attention and do this right.
I like all of them. The Speedy.
Are you just doing this to rush?
A little bit.
Man, you know what?
But that Speedy, yeah, here go all the Speedies. So you got
which one is your favorite? The denim?
No, I don't necessarily have a favorite.
Favorite over here?
No,
okay.
They're nice.
Okay.
This is your
what is this?
Reverse monogram.
Ah, that's not just our
not
reverse.
just reverse monogram, because you have
what else?
The black
monogram in black.
Monogram in black.
But what's the name over here?
Reverse monogram.
Yay! Now what's my favorite print?
What you mean reverse monogram?
There you go. I just want to see if you just you know what's going on in my life.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you did a good job. Anything you got to say to the people, to your besties?
Hi guys. Bye guys.